I see John, his back. Started out with a hand. Get the girl situated, and we were both parts
That's me. It's me.
Was it you?
Can you do this?
for sure. Oh, no.
Can you roll your tongue like that?
I can do that.
Like what?
Let
me see. Stick it all the way out. Ah, you
Like what?
good.
Like what?
I can do like a fish. I can do that.
Is this OSHA approved?
I can't do that.
Oh yes, certainly. So we had that in permanent record. The hazard lights on. The hazard lights have to be on.
Right. Blending in process.
A bit of salt, mate. A bit of salt.
But you see what? You're standing in the headlight. You get to see on the video when we get home.
Bring it back when you go. Maybe you need some second gear.
Well, what do you think? Is it possible to make a margarita? We have smoke!
Little tire smoking.
When it's smoking, it's done.
Oh yeah, the margarita, of course. Is there a toaster inside too?
For the toaster.
A little tire rubbing on the knobby.
Yeah, right. Margarita.
How good is that? That adds flavor.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
There.
I'm in a wheelchair too.
I want to see the motorcycle. You already got a chance. I didn't get no. Yes, you did.
Roger wants to make the awards.
Can I try? Can I try?
Can you try what? What's your name? What's your name?
Fiona.
Fiona, how old are you?
What I want.
How many's that? 4, huh? This thing.
We walked around and had a people's choice a little while ago. We decided to rule these people out because they brought bribes. You know? So, here's the way it went.
Hey Keith, give me one of those, will you?
We decided that after listening to the votes, that Muir should get a special award for most visual because everyone here who saw him come up the hill with all his gear lashed all over his homemade motorcycle over here had a visual image of 80 years ago. It was intense. A guy touring.
80 years ago.
You know, that's a feeling, you know, because he was wiggling, wobbling, crap tied everywhere. You know, it was great. So, Rick's V8 got a lot of votes, but it didn't get the most votes. It was number 3. Old Bill over there, the safety cycle, the horsehide model, is the number 2 vote of everything that was here. But our trophy goes to Dave for the Cadillac motorhome.
Voted the best by the people.
Maybe that'll be the new one.
Maybe.
That's magnetic base, huh?
Oh, I see.
Well done.
It's stainless, isn't it?
Stainless.
Yeah, that's nice.
Avery polished it.
Well, thank you. It's beautiful. Well, I'll sit over there on the hood.
Any words for your fans?
Let's just have more fun.
Have to be exactly. Good answer.
Drive each other to do.
Thanks,
more.
Mr. MC.
Is that right?
Stand over tomorrow. They'll let it melt down a bit there.
And the trophy girl. Woohoo.